Everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is we procrastinate because we are fearful of being wrong. We procrastinate because we are fearful of being wrong. We procrastinate because we are fearful of being wrong. I do not agree with this statement that we procrastinate because we are fearful of being wrong. In my opinion, we procrastinate because procrastination is very easy. And second, whenever you are trying something to different, something that is hard, you always will procrastinate unless you are highly motivated. You will delay it to end time and then you will do it. So when we procrastinate, it depends person to person first. For me, why I procrastinate, the reason could be very different for you. So to identify the reason, whenever we procrastinate, we just need to go back in the history that let's just think about what are the tasks that you usually procrastinate and why haven't you been able to do. So let me, okay. So if I think about myself, so recently I've been procrastinating about a reading book habit or maybe a book reading habit that I want to do it regularly, but I postpone it regularly. That and I'm not able to inculcate a habit where every day I read. Although I read, but sometimes I miss as well. When I miss, if I look at those things, it's just that I haven't set a habit or something. I haven't put a foundation or haven't put any boundary that what will happen if I don't read it. So uh, there is nothing, if I do or don't do, both things are same. So what I can do is whenever I do something good, then I can reward myself. In that way, my mind can function that way. That yes, if I do that activity, I might get reward. I might have a sweet, something sweet, so maybe a chocolate or something. So there is a reward. When you have a reward, there is a clear, maybe the tendency to do procrastinate will go away. But the message that I want to drive home is that the reason for procrastinate uh, is different for a different people. So you need to identify your procrastination reason and then you can work towards it. Thank you. Over to you.